blossoming flowers, feeling so lonely. I'm tied to a castle that's filled with thorns. Tell me, what do they call you? Where are you running off to? Oh, could you tell me? I saw you how you hide in this garden, and I know your warmth is here as real as it can be, with all the flowers that you've picked. Let me hold your hand, but this is my fate. Don't smile on me. Go to you. Besides, I've got no name that I can call you. You know that I can show you me, give me. I can let you see all of my weekend sets. So I put on a mask to go and see you, but I still want you. In this lonely garden, I picked it for you. I take my mask off and then step ahead, and I know that I can't let you see the ugly me. What will happen if you see who I really am? Don't leave me alone. It's breathing just like me when I was with you, but I still want you. I still want you. I wanna go back. If I was brave, I'd go ahead and show you who I am. That we live now. I'm crying alone. The ropes, the holes, the castle falls. The mask I always wear is broken on the ground. I'm screaming on my lips, but you can't hear me. But I still want you. I still want you. I still want